This may happen with you when you mistakenly delete the folder or a file. Then is there any way how we can recover it back? Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic, and in this video we will be talking about how we can recover deleted files or folder back. And for that, here I am taking example of this folder which have got these 4 files. And if by mistake you have deleted this, of course you can recover it by visiting recycle bin, which is here. And let me actually delete everything here. Now our recycle bin is empty and the folder is also gone. Let's see how we can recover in such scenario. For that, I will recommend you to go with one such free software known as WinfrGUI. Now after typing this, here is the software. Simply click on download, and then again we need to click on download. Let's click on start now and click on open. Now it will be quickly installed in your system and run this. Now we need to select the drive which contain the files. So in my case, my files was in F drive. So let me select F drive, and then here we do have got these two scan mode, deep scan or quick scan. So let's go with deep scan, and I would like to save all these data maybe in my C drive, and then here I am going to keep it in the desktop. Now we have defined the path, we have defined the scanning mode, and we also have selected the drive from which the file get deleted. Now let's click here on start recovery, and we need to wait for a while. And finally, I would say after 1.5 hours, we have completed deep scan. Let's click on it, and then here I can look for media and MP4. So it was able to extract all these files that were being deleted by us. So that's how, guys, you can also retrieve data even if you have deleted it permanently. Hope guys you find this helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.